All right, let's do our review. We're going to correctly identify the plotted points on the number line. So in this case, we have 0, which, as always, will separate the positive and negative numbers on a number line. Then we have a 1 all the way up here. So if we have 1 all the way up here, we have some lines in between. Let's see how many spaces we have in between. We have, let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's split into 4s. So if I split 1 into 4, if I split 1 into 4, that's like quarters. So if I look at this, each part of this line, so it's going to be in between both of them is going to be 0.5. But what if I have in between 0.5, what if I have between 0 and 50 cents? That'd be 25 cents, so 0.25. Above 50 cents is 0.75. So that would be 75 cents. $1, $1.25, $1.50, $1.75. Same thing in our opposite direction. Negative $0.25, negative $0.50, negative $0.75, negative 1, negative $1.25. So we start over with the 25, 50, 75, and then the next dollar. Negative 1.50, negative $1.75, and so on. So now that we have that all straightened out, remember, you do not have to write these down. Now that we have that, we are going to take a look at the first one. So our first decimal is going to be 0 and 25 hundredths, or 25 cents. That fraction, since it's only one of the 4 spots of the 4, it's going to be 1/4. So that's going to be 1/4. So you're going to do 1-4. All right, let's take a look at the next one. So we have negative 1 and 25 hundredths, or negative 1.25. That's going to be negative 1 and 1/4. So it's going to be negative 1 and 1/4. Let's take a look over here. So when we start to plot these and their opposites, so we have 1, the opposite of 1 is going to be negative 1. So I'm going to take this point. Don't forget to take these points and plot them. So I have negative 1 and positive 1. So I have negative 1 and positive 1. All right, now we have negative 3/4. So let's take a look here. So we have the opposite of negative 3/4 is going to be positive 3/4. So when we have negative 3/4, we're going to go negative 1, negative 1/4, negative 2/4, negative 3/4. So it's going to be down here. So it's 75 cents. So this is negative 1/4, negative 2/4, or negative half, negative 3/4. And then this is negative 4/4, which also equals 1. Because 4 divided by 4 equals 1. Negative 4/4 is going to equal 1, negative 1. All right, opposite of 1 1/2 is going to be negative 1 1/2. So we're going to plot that. I forgot to plot the positive 3/4. So if we put positive 3/4, we have 1/4 here, 2/4, 3/4, and then 4/4, which also equals 1. Let's take a look at that pink one. So that's 1 1/2. So we're going to go 1 1/2, so 1.5. Then we're going to go negative 1 1/2. So you're going to have those plotted points there. And that's going to be it for that review. Great job.